When the Redmi Note 7 was announced in January 2019, the 48 megapixel camera was one of the main selling points of the phone. But how good the camera actually is? Let's find out. Hello everybody, my name is George, this is GS Tech, and today we're going to take a look at the Redmi Note 7's camera. As always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, it will mean a lot to me. You can also check the unboxing of the Redmi Note 7 up here. And now, let's start with the review. Let's start the review by looking at the specs of the camera setup. The Redmi Note 7 has a dual camera setup consisting of a 48 megapixel Samsung main sensor with an aperture of 1.8 and pixel binning technology. This means that when you take photos in auto mode, you actually take 12 megapixel photos because the phone is combining 4 pixels into one. The secondary sensor is a 5 megapixel depth sensor with an aperture of 2.4. The front camera is a 13 megapixel one with an aperture of 2.2. When you open the camera up, you can see that it has a pretty standard layout. You have the options of shooting a short video, a normal photo, the portrait mode, the night mode, square, panorama, and pro mode as well. The camera app also lets you choose between the options of using the AI mode and HDR. When taking photos in the standard auto mode, the photos come up with nice detail, but they're lacking a little bit on the color front. You can correct that somewhat by using the AI mode. The AI mode itself identifies different objects and can enhance or adjust the colors depending on what's in front of the camera. In my view, the AI mode on this phone works a little bit like HDR on other phones. In Pro mode, you can take full control of the camera settings, and you can also take photos in the full 48 megapixel resolution of the camera. The portrait mode also works well. Edge detection is pretty good both on the front and the selfie camera. When taking photos in the direct sunlight, the camera also tends to overexpose a little bit and burning the whites. There's also a dedicated night mode in the camera settings. Although I'm not very impressed by the results. The photos are usable, but I've definitely seen better night modes on other phones. The phone can shoot videos in 1080p resolution with up to 60 frames per second. The image quality was good, but I was very disappointed by the image stabilization. Especially when taking videos while walking, the video footage was very shaky. The phone can also shoot slow-mo videos with up to 120 frames per second. And so, today we took a look at the Redmi Note 7 camera. What I can say is that I've really enjoyed using the Redmi Note 7 camera. It's performed really well, especially considering the price of the phone. What Xiaomi have done is, again, they've brought the good photography down to the mid-range phones. And so guys, that was it for today's video. I really do hope that you've enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs down. I wish everyone a great day, and I hope to see you again in my next video. And until then, from GS Tech, it's bye-bye.